for children jumping across the metro Richmond area. The vaccine team's Henrico Health breaks down the numbers for us now and what they mean for your Thanksgiving gathering next week.
Local health officials say our second pandemic Thanksgiving will be different because of the vaccine, but the push is still on to get more shots into the arms of children. The 5 to 11-year-old vaccination rate more than doubled for both Richmond and Henrico. Over 12% of Richmond kids have now received a dose. In Henrico, more than 14.5% of kids have done so. Across the state, the children's vaccine rate is 15%.
Well, I hope this is encouraging when they see others and some of the fears and hesitations that they have, that they will go away. Sometimes we need to see others doing before we do. Vaccine clinics are seeing more parents willing to bring in their children, with RRHD vaccinating more than 1,000 children so far.
While a vaccine is not 100%, any mitigation strategies and barriers and layers that we can add to safety will definitely help improve the health of children.
To close the gap in the city, health leaders are working to make sure shots are accessible and parents know about it.
Clearly, folks still want to get vaccinated. We continue to build out our schedule of where we're going and how we can make that accessible. So, and we're also ensuring that where we're vaccinating are close to families and communities of color as well.
With just a week to go until Thanksgiving, the health department spent more time talking about food safety and how to not get food poisoning at a Thanksgiving Day feast than on policing how people should gather.
So it's just thinking about what are the risks, who's there, and how to protect them. Testing is good ahead of time. Eating outside is really helpful. So just thinking about what are the ways you can still gather and be with family, but maybe in smaller numbers this year.
Advice to consider. On your side in Richmond, Henrico Health, NBC 12 News.
Thank you, Henry.